Came into the game, no one replace me. Me love my energy straight, we no chaser. All of my guys know me all about me paper. Me got me girls all around me, me no chaser. Yeah, star boy call me number one. When me tune drop, the girls they bounce along. Me no let nothing come between me and me paper. So when me come in, I the place me undertaker. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, come closer.
Hey beauty babies. I am so excited to just be back and filming and just excited, happy, like, oh my gosh, I'm just so excited. Okay, so basically I am back. I know I've been posting stuff here and there and it hasn't been like top quality, but I'm back for real. So basically, I'm just gonna say this real quick before we get into the tutorial. Basically, I just could not stand filming with a real camera. I don't know what it is, but when I used to film all the time, it was because I would just be using my phone. I had like a little tripod stick which I lost, so I ended up getting a new one, and so everything is on my phone now, and I'm just so excited. I'm so geeked. So I am just, oh my gosh, I don't know, I can't even explain. I don't know why my under eye looks like it's creasing. I am just so excited to be back and just here, and I don't know, I'm not even gonna go too much into it because I know I always have these little spiels where I'm just like, I'm back to YouTube, but seriously, it was just so much using the camera, and I know a lot of people are gonna be like, what? But I started with my phone, so I just have to stick to my phone until I can get someone to edit my videos or do something like that. So if you all want to see how I got this super cute, simple, and do not mind my lashes, this glue was going everywhere, so ugh. But if you all want to see how I got this super cute glam glow look, filling in my glow, keep watching. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm taking my flat top blending brush and I'm just going to dip this into what I thought was my Morphe 350, but you guys are about to see. I was like, that is not the right palette. There we go, right palette. And I'm taking these two shades that are, when I blend them, they're kind of similar to my skin tone. And basically I just pat this all over my eyelid so that I can get the color back into my eye, because my concealer is light, but I don't like it to be light like when it gets closer to my brow, because that just doesn't look right. And then I'm taking these two orangey looking shades. I hope you guys can tell. And I'm just patting that in as well. So now I'm going into my revealed palette. This is the first palette. Sometimes I forget I have it. But then I'm taking my blending brush and I'm going to be going into this light brown shade. And basically I'm just going to be blending that from the outer corner to the inner corner. And then I'm going back in with those two peachy shades. I did not mean to say orange. I mean, I guess they're in the same family, but yeah, I'm just going to be going back and forth so that it does not get harsh and it's nice and blended. Then I'm dipping into this sandish shade back in the 350 by More. Y'all can tell I have not done a voiceover in a long time, and I'm basically just darkening that shade up, but I don't want it to be like too dark. I just basically want to have a natural looking eye, so deepen it up but not doing too much, and I'm just going back and forth again and just blending that out. Alright, so now we're on to foundation. I'm taking my Maybelline Matte Poreless in the shade Toffee Caramel and my NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in the shade Caramel. most important key is to shake these hoes up. I'm sorry, I can't take myself serious. But yeah, basically I'm taking my flat top brush now and I'm just basically blending all that in. I like to put everything on the back of my hand so that I could take my finger and blend it before I put it onto my face. But yes, I was just showing y'all how you should be able to see the difference of how that foundation hooks you up.
You heard she gonna do what from who?
Okay, so basically y'all are seeing how lit I am now, but I basically just took the concealer and put it in the highlighted points of my face.
Watch your man. Then you should watch your mouth. Administer mouth to mouth. Hey, you know what I am about? Raps Jackie Chan. I ain't pulling no face stuff on your bum lace fronts.
So I basically took my spray bottle that just has water in it and I sprayed my little poopa, my beauty blender, and then I just blend everything in. And yeah, I am so sorry for the amount of times that I say basically. I don't know if it's just the nerve thing, I have no idea, but I'm taking this e.l.f. brush and I am basically, no, let me quit. I'm taking my Maybelline loose powder in the shade Light, and with the powder brush I'm just putting that in on the highlighted points, the same points that I just highlighted with the wet, putting the dry on there, dry it up, y'all know this. But yeah, then I'm taking my LA Girl concealer in the shade Espresso and I'm contouring my face, snatching that hoe up. And then I'm taking this contour brush, yeah, and I'm just going to blend all that out. A moisture powder foundation in the color Sable and my bronzing brush, and I'm just putting that over, you know, the LA Girl, so that, you know, basically anything that you do with wet, you're going to, I don't like saying wet, but basically anything that you do with the wet, you're gonna go over it with dry to basically set it. And then I'm taking this fluffy powder face brush and I'm dusting all of that powder away. I probably shouldn't even let it sit on for that long because I started to look all ashy and white. So then I went back into my Morph and basically, you know, tan that up. But I'm taking my little disposable wedge and I am snatching that contour up. I took another brush that I have and tried to do it. I usually do it with that, but it just wasn't working. So yeah. And then I'm taking that sandy color again and I'm putting that on my under eye. See, I went back with those two shades and basically went over the light to, you know, get it back to my skin tone because we don't want to be too bright in here, you know. We want to shine on them, but not in the wrong ways, you know. So then I'm taking my Revolution Shimmer Brick and this little eyeshadow brush and I'm basically going into the top part and the bottom part and popping that in the inner corner of my eye so that we can shine on them. Yes, shine, shine. And then I'm going into the 35B, taking these two little pinky shades. I wanted to switch it up a little bit because I always use the same blush and I'm blushing myself up and then blending that out. And then I realized that, you know, my contour went away a little bit, so I went back into the 350, took some brownie shades and just made that even more dark. I'm taking my lashes in the color BLA 32 and I just applied those off camera. And then I'm taking my Carly Bible palette. I'm dipping into these two shades down here and I'm just popping those onto my brow bone. And then I'm putting that over the Makeup Revolution in my inner corners and onto my nose, making a little exclamation point. Oh, my nose is just gleaming. Oh, I love it. Putting it on my Cupid's bow as well. And then I'm taking my fanning brush And I'm doing the same thing that I did with my eyes. I'm going into the Makeup Revolution, popping that onto my cheeks, and then I go back into the Carly Bible with those same 2 shades and pop that onto the cheeks, the forehead, all the places that you basically just want to shine, shine, and shine. Now I'm taking my liquid eyeliner and I'm just popping my moles onto my face. I love adding these. They just make the look pop. And then I'm taking my Kiss Professionals gloss and just putting that onto my lips. And now, oh, I had so much fun, y'all. The tutorial is basically coming to an end, so enjoy this bomb outro. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I will see y'all on the next video.
I could get a ding with the pain. Sitting in the caddy, plotting on the bench. Baby, you a hottie, you a 10. You should bring your fans, bring your friends. I could get a ding.